There's no question, video is an effective way to bring attention to you and to your business, but there may come a time when you hit a wall. If you're creating video content consistently, there may be days when it feels like you don't want to create any more. If this is you, you are definitely not alone. This video, I wanted to share some things you can do to make the creation process a little less painful, to change things around just a little bit so you feel more energized to keep creating. I'm Cheryl Tan with Cheryl Tan Media. We help startups to Fortune 500 companies build their media authority and communicate better on video. Subscribe to this channel for content that will help you connect with your audience, share a clear message, and give you strategies to create content consistently. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon and you won't miss a thing. If you want a simple structure you can use to create a clear, concise, and meaningful message, I'll tell you how you can get the message clarity method for free at the end of this video. I work with many business owners and leaders who are already putting in the work, creating video content on a regular basis. They're seeing results, meaning they get clients from those efforts or they get the visibility they want. And yet sometimes they don't always want to create videos. It's time consuming. It's not always easy to come up with compelling ideas. And sometimes they're just busy. There's so many other things to do on the job or in the business. Here are some ideas you can incorporate into your video creation plan so you stay motivated to create more. 1, get some help. While you can definitely do it all, you can be the talent, the videographer, the editor, and the publisher of this content. You probably don't want to be that person forever. Video creation does take time. If you think about how much time it takes even to come up with an idea and then create a script or an outline, that could be hours. And that's before you even create the videos themselves. Really, once your business grows, it isn't necessary to do it all yourself. You can maximize your time by getting help, maybe with the scripting, maybe with the shooting, maybe with the editing, maybe with the posting, maybe all 4 jobs. For some of my clients, they come up with the video ideas, create a script, and they deliver the content, and that's it. They hand the raw video over to someone else to edit and publish. If you think about it, being a solo video content creator means you are doing the job of 4 or 5 people, and if you have a business to run or a team to manage, that can be a little much. In fact, you may have noticed my videos have gotten a lot more polished. That's because of my video editor, Francis. Many, many thanks to him. Getting help is only part of the equation. It's important to focus on quality over quantity. Consistent video creation is a good thing. If you create content regularly, then you build a connection with your audience. They get to see you on camera, hear your voice, feel how much you care about what you do, and they feel that consistently. But when it starts to feel like we're creating content just to create content, and you actually know when you're doing that, you start to feel like a hamster in a wheel. You feel like there's never an end in sight, and you start to not enjoy the process. When that feeling sets in, you're not as energized to create, and it's time to think a little differently. Take a step back and look at what you're actually putting together. Take a look at your production schedule. Are you creating videos every day? Are you batching them? Meaning, are you taking one time during the week to create instead of shooting videos every day? We'll talk more about batching in a moment. If you shoot videos every day, maybe it feels like you never get a day off, that you'll never finish, that you never get a break. Are the videos you're creating achieving your goals? Do you really need to create 4 videos a week? Or will once a week be more than good enough? Can you give someone else on your team the opportunity to create videos? So maybe a team member creates videos one week and you create content for the other weeks in the month. That extra time could give you the chance to make the videos you do produce that much better. One of the biggest areas people struggle with is coming up with content ideas. Take time throughout the week to listen to your clients' questions and put all of your ideas in one place. I usually just put them in the Notes app on my phone. Always be listening for good ideas and be ready to jot them down. Now, take a step back and look at your production schedule. Batch your videos. If you batch your videos, you have a set time when you'll shoot your videos all at once. Instead of having to set up your equipment and get camera ready each and every time, you can do so maybe once every few weeks. Batching videos gives you a bit of a break. If you have been creating videos for a while, you know that this process takes work, it takes dedication, and it takes quite a bit of time. Sometimes it's best to take the time in chunks. Take a chunk to pull together content ideas, although you can be collecting video content ideas throughout the week. Take a chunk of time to map out your scripts, whether you put together bullet points or you write your scripts out. Take a chunk of time for shooting the videos, and then you're done. Here's the next idea. If you're looking for a way to make video creation a little easier, go live. Really, one of the easiest ways to create content in real time is to deliver it live. It takes a little bit of preparation, but there's no expectation of a perfectly polished video when it's live. Maybe you create an outline for your live stream, you deliver it, and you're done. And when it's done, you're done. Remember, you can still take that content after the live stream is over and repurpose it to use on other platforms. Facebook Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live, even a live webinar. All of that is content and can count as one of the ways you provide value to your audience. If you create videos weekly, consider making a live stream one of those weeks. I put together a video with live streaming tips you can watch after this video. I'll put the link to watch it in the description box below. And don't forget, you can always take a break. Consistency is important, but so is a little bit of rest. It's okay to take a break. In fact, you may need the time to get away, get a new perspective, to appreciate what you've created. I certainly have stepped away from video creation for a time, and I always come back. As long as you return, then it's just a short hiatus, and you may come back recharged and ready to consistently create more. If you're looking for a video script template, download my free framework to help you create simple and valuable videos every single time. Go to CherylTanMedia.com/framework to get access to the message clarity method. Are you ready to get back to it and create videos? I would love to hear how these tips helped you feel more motivated for your next video shoot. Thank you so much for watching. For more ways to show up with confidence on camera, watch this next.